Hi, we're here at the 2016 Security Show in Melbourne on the Dahua stand. If you missed us, we're just here to give you a quick wrap up of what we were displaying and what could be good for you and your business. We're here at the Intelligent Building Solution display, where we've got our access control products, our intercom products and our intruder alarm products. Now, the access control system is a modular system, IP based, and then you can cascade up to 30 door controllers off one IP controller. We also have a range of readers, RS485 and WeGAN readers. We've got fingerprint readers. We've also got request to exit buttons, as well as mag locks and strikes. We've got two different styles of intercom. We've got large apartment and small villa. On the large apartment intercoms, we can have up to 2,000 indoor stations and multiple outdoor stations. On the villa systems, you can have up to 5 indoor stations and up to 20 outdoor stations, which is ample for most jobs. An advantage of the villa systems is when someone comes to the door, if you've set it up with a mobile phone app, you can actually get it calling the person's mobile phone app and they can talk to the person at the door while they're away from the home. We've also got intruder alarms, which we have wireless and hardwired versions. So we've got wireless PIRs, we've got remote controls, hardwired read switches, hardwired PIRs, and a few other bits and pieces that you normally find on intruder alarms. We're here at the IP video wall where we're displaying our eco-savvy H.265 range of cameras, our Ultra HD 4K cameras and our Wi-Fi cameras and NVRs. We've also got our range of PoE switches that we're displaying here as well. Now the H.265 range of cameras, we've got those in 4 megapixel with WDR. We've also got our Ultra HD 4K cameras where we've got two 12 megapixels on the wall and an 8 megapixel, and you can see the picture on the screen there behind me. Now with the Wi-Fi NVR, we've got the Wi-Fi NVR and cameras that we've released. With that product, you just turn it all on, automatically locates each other, camera locates the NVR, and all automatically programs itself. We've also got our thermal PTZ, which you can see there up in the corner. So it's a dual head PTZ, one thermal, one standard imager, so you can get the thermal image and then review what's actually happening there. Now we've also got the Dahua range of PoE switches. We've got switches, SFPs, we've also got wireless point-to-point equipment, so any of your networking needs we can also help you with. We're just here at the Dahua Control Centre solution where we've got the video wall for the display, we've got the DSS server and the video wall controller, and we've also got the individual monitors for the operators. Now the video wall, the biggest project we've done was for the Chinese government, which was 330 panels, which is quite huge. We've done a lot of video walls in India, Pakistan, so something like this, a 2x2 or 3x3 is quite easy for us. Now with this type of solution, we can easily adjust the video sources on the wall. It's just a drag and drop type system. So we can grab the video file on the workstation here, drag it around, resize quite easily, move it. Now I'm just moving up to our 180 degree panoramic camera. So I'm just going to enlarge that a little bit. Very, very, very easy to use. We're here at our parking lot solution display where we're displaying our parking guidance system and ANPR solutions. The parking guidance system is for airports, supermarkets, where you go in there, you see a light that's either green or red, tells you if there's any available parking spots. So our system does it with CCTV. One camera covers 3 parking spots and gives you a red or green light depending on if there's a car in there. The other thing it does is recognises the number plate of the vehicle that's parked in the parking spot. So it helps, track incidents, help people find cars when they've lost their cars in the parking lot, and it can also measure how long a car has been sitting in the parking lot. So if there's been something at the airport for 3 months, the system will know. Another advantage of our parking guidance system is because it's CCTV based, you can actually record all of the cameras. So you're going to get total coverage of the parking lot. If someone smashes into a car and takes off, or you've got someone breaking into cars, you're going to have footage of that event. We're here at the Dahua bus, which is displaying our mobile solutions. We've got our mobile NVR and our MPT 300 body camera. So the mobile NVR is designed for buses, cars, any moving vehicle. We've got a range of cameras that fit onto it as well. Different mobile cameras which have the EN 50155 anti-vibration rating. All of these systems can go back to our DSS server, be tracked from a control room, two-way audio communication, alarms, can even send speed alerts back to the control room if someone's speeding. And it's also got geofencing, so the bus or armoured guard vehicle goes outside of a specific zone, it's going to generate an alarm. Now the other thing we've got is the MPT 300, which is a police style body camera, recording, two-way communication back to the control room, panic button, GPS location, has 4G, so a security guard could potentially be out on his rounds, hit the button, communicates back to the control room, sends the footage and his location. I'm just here at the HD CVI 3.0 stand, which is a new product that's been released by Dahua. It can support up to 4 megapixel cameras at the moment, and we're going to be going up to 4K in the future. So for those of you who don't know, CVI allows high definition video to be transmitted over coaxial cable, and it also allows for control of PTZ over the coax cable and also power to be sent up the coax cable. So one of the first product we've got is the 2 megapixel WDR zoom cameras. Then we move to the 2 megapixel starlight cameras. Now the starlight cameras are a low light camera, so you can get high resolution with low light performance over a coax camera. And finally we've got the 4 megapixel HD CVI cameras with WDR. So these cameras are supported by our new range of CVRs. We've got our 4 megapixel CVR here, which can do up to 16 channels. And then we've got our smart CVR here, which is Intel based and can do up to 64 channels IP and 16 channels CVI. Now, some of the features that these CVRs can support are facial recognition, smart tracking, people counting, heat maps and missing and abandoned objects. And you can see here on the screen where it's detecting facial shots and showing those on the side of the screen. And that's it for our HD CVI 3.0. Thanks for taking the time to check out our products. If you want to know more, go to our website or give us a call, or you can come and visit us at our Melbourne or Sydney showroom.